Hi, everybody. Hope you had a nice long weekend. Welcome back. Only 4 days of instruction this week. So hang with us. Today is going to be a self-defense instruction day. This is my bed behind me. I'm sitting on the floor in case you guys were wondering. So here we go. Today's self-defense instruction is about blocks. So although this is the wrong kind of block, I still thought it was funny nonetheless. All right. So task 1, you're going to watch this video. Good job. Task 2, we're going to go through the PowerPoint and then on your own, you're going to watch the videos. And then you're going to complete today's exit ticket, which is to videotape yourself and the moves that we do today. All right. So go through today's PowerPoint. You can click here for the PowerPoint, or as always, we have it down here as well. Okay. So if we click on it here, give it a sec. Here we go. Blocks, high, low, and to the side. So today is about 25 minutes of videos and practice. So make sure you have that time set aside to be able to do this today. We have adding defense to your moves, the mechanics of the block, and adding in a punch combination. We have the inner and outer blocks on the side blocks. So make sure you know the both of those. Just a little video here talking about why blocks work. Intro to the low block, and then the front kick and low block combination. And then we have, oops, I hit the wrong way. I was like, wait, I just said that. And then we have a review of all of them. Okay, so this one's super important. This is what you are going to be doing for your assignment, pretty much. So you need to know the ones that he reviews in this video. So for your assignment, you are going to upload a video of yourself doing all of these blocks. So you're going to say, hi, my name is so-and-so. You're going to show me your high block, show me your low block, show me your inside middle block, and your outside middle block. Okay, once you have all five those things, video's over. Okay, so as long as it takes you to do that, try to say, this is my high block, this is my low block, just so I know that you know what's going on. All right, once you're done with that, you are going to turn it in down here into the submission tab by midnight tonight. Good luck.